If your iPhone is stuck in recovery mode and does not turn on, this video is for you. iPhones enter into recovery mode if there are any issues with their software. This is my iPhone 4S which went into recovery mode for a reason I don't know. So I downloaded the Tenorshare ReiBoot from the internet for my Windows laptop. It is also available for macOS. Download and install the software on your Mac or PC. The top 5 features which caught my attention are: one-click enter or exit recovery mode, repair 150 plus iOS, iPadOS, tvOS system problems like stuck on Apple logo, screen won't turn on, recovery mode loop, black screen, etc. 100% safe to update to the latest iOS 18 beta. Downgrade from iOS 18 beta to iOS 17 stable version. Irreversibly erase data on iOS devices before trade-in and selling. Let's exit recovery mode on the iPhone 4S. But before we do that, I want to tell you that this is a review and promotion of Tenorshare ReiBoot. They reached out to me to showcase their product and its features. I have tried and tested it before I agreed on making this video.
Hey guys, you're watching TechNutso. Let's get started.
Connect the iPhone to PC via cable and open ReiBoot. The software interface is easy to use and understand. On the top right, it shows the iPhone 4S as connected and in recovery mode. Click on the exit button in the recovery mode section. The iPhone 4S is now booting up and the lock screen just showed up. ReiBoot displayed a notification that exit recovery mode successfully. Your device will return to its normal state. As it had some software issues and ran into recovery mode, it recommended I should repair the iOS system by performing a standard repair without data loss. I made a decision to do it, but I haven't backed it up, and if the repair can be done without losing the data, then it sure is a game changer for many. It will now download the last signed iOS version for the iPhone 4S from the internet, which is iOS 9.3.6. Let it download and we'll come back.
A few moments later.
Now the file has been downloaded, but as the iPhone's battery should be at least 50% charged, we'll wait for it.
1 minute later.
Now the iPhone 4S is 50% charged, so I have started the standard repair process. The standard repair process took 10 minutes to complete. And yes, my data is safe on the iPhone, so yeah, this is a game changer for iPhone users. Also, the iPhone 4S is a tad bit faster than before. If you have come this far in the video, please do the 2 taps, that is like and subscribe for more tech content.
My iPhone 12 mini is running on the iOS 18 developer beta. My iOS 18 first impressions video is live on the channel. Link in I button, go watch it if you haven't. I was facing battery drain and heating issues on the 12 mini, so I thought of downgrading and reinstalling the iOS 18 beta version.
The process is easy and as follows. Firstly, connect and backup your iPhone through iTunes. Until the backup is in progress, open ReiBoot and click on iOS Upgrade Downgrade. Select Downgrade. Disclaimer: backup your iPhone beforehand to avoid data loss. I am not liable if you do lose your data. It will search for the latest stable iOS 17 version. For now, it is iOS 17.5.1. Start downloading the firmware so that the backup and the download will be completed at the same time. After the backup is done, go to ReiBoot and click on the Start Downgrade button. It took 15 minutes to downgrade my iPhone 12 mini to iOS 17.5.1. All my data was wiped as said. Now navigate to the home page of ReiBoot. Click on the iOS Downgrade Upgrade button. Select the latest iOS 18 Developer Beta 3. You can also choose to update to the public beta. Start downloading and then start the upgrade process. It took another 15 minutes of mine, and after that I restored my backup. And this downgrade to the upgrade process has solved my heating and battery issues. I haven't faced any idle heating issues after this process, and the battery backup has improved too. Our phone's data is an invaluable asset when it comes to privacy. We should erase our iPhones with the anti-recovery data feature so that our privacy is not compromised. The anti-recovery data feature is very important and will become mandatory in the coming days. I recently gave away my old iPhone 7 Plus and I made sure I did the anti-data recovery procedure to safeguard my privacy. For all these important features, I highly recommend you guys to check out Tenorshare ReiBoot. The paid version of this software is a lot helpful in the long run. You can solve various issues at home if you come across them. If you are a mobile repair shop, you should surely have this software. You would help people and also recover your money invested in this software. So here I end my video. This was my perspective about Tenorshare ReiBoot. Drop your queries in the comments below and the relevant ones will be answered. If you have any tech queries, follow and DM me on Instagram. I am happy to help. Instagram link in the description. See you guys in the next one. TechNutso signing off.